Hi, I'm Dr. George Ho. This video is in English with Chinese subtitle. If you want to watch with English subtitle, please press the CC button at the right lower corner. In the last 10 years, I have combined the scientific method like the book on the left. Younger next year, written by a modern medical specialist, Dr. Lodge. With ancient wisdom like the teaching of the Taoist Master Lu Dongbin and the inspiring enlightenment of Master Huai Jinan. Some of my rejuvenation result has been described in the last video, learning material for like even though I'm 74 years old, my muscular skeletal system are still very strong. And my vision is better than when I was young. I don't have to wear glasses for presbyopia. I use the Taoist concept of Lin Jing Hua Qi to explain this good result. Using the massive secretion of hormone Jing to boost the nervous system Qi. Using this modern and scientific approach is more effective in explaining the so-called ancient secrets. I have uploaded many videos in my Facebook page, Excel in Tai Chi and Meditation on Your Own. The upcoming video explains self push hand. Movie is about using self push hand in Tai Chi with the 6 healing sounds breathing to train 2 basic forms of Tai Chi power, the Peng form of power and the Chai form of power. Both the Peng form of power and the Chai form of power have a special movie done by me on YouTube. You can go and watch that movie under the playlist of 8 forms of power. In my second article published by Tai Chi Magazine in September 2014, I wrote about Dongjing and Pile Stand as the 2 crucial concepts for understanding Tai Chi. And I have also talked about self push hand in that article. Self push hand is my innovative idea in the training of Tai Chi for understanding your 8 basic forms of power. However, this is not entirely new in Qigong practices because I have cited swimming dragon Qigong as one form of self push hand. In my September article, I have also talked about a forward and backward kind of self push hand because it's better than the side bending and the squatting kind of move. Now, many traditional moves like the one down below, that snake slither down, that many people think that is very impressive, but these moves are created by master with no medical knowledge. I have recommended against this in my Kao Jin YouTube movie. I am not the only one saying against this kind of practice. The Director of Medical and Health Department of Hong Kong has written a book, and in this book it's written in Chinese, but on page 137 he wrote, of course in Chinese it's translated, do not twist the knee and reduce or avoid squatting like doing the Tai Chi move Sha Xi, snake slither down. Regarding how to generate the Peng form of power and the Chai form of power, according to Master Huang Hui Sheng, I have made special movies on these 8 forms of power. If you want to know it in detail, you can go to watch all those movies. The links are in the illustration down below. I have a playlist called the 8 forms of Tai Chi power. I will explain briefly here the
form of power according to Master Huang Huisheng. You can generate this form of power when you use the union of the two acupuncture points called the Mingmen and the Huan Tiao. The Mingmen is in the low back in the middle, and the Huan Tiao is close to the posterior aspect of the hip joint. To generate the Chai form of power, according to Master Huang Huisheng, you need two conditions. First, the three Dantian, the upper, the middle, and the lower Dantian, does to form a straight line. And secondly, the body turn is activated by the union of the two acupuncture points, one in the head called the Xiao Xue, and then at the other one at the shoulder called the Jin Jian Xue. This movie shows you how to do the duet style push hand, and with sophistication you can add the 6 healing sound, the Ho Si Fu Hei Hui Chui. The 6 healing sound, according to Master Nan Hui Jin, is the sound of silence. You do not say it aloud. And regarding why, I did not explain, but you can have a little bit of explanation if you watch my movie Good Posture and Breathing with Dr. Ho's Integrated Mind Body Training. The link is in the illustration again. Regarding to evaluate your sophistication in Tai Chi, the old way is to push the other guy, push the other guy so that he flies up in the air. But that's inhumane. I have done a movie on the self-evaluation of your sophistication in Tai Chi. Again, the movie link is in the illustration. Simply put, you have to have the craniosacral postural reflex, and the throat dantian is reflected in your voice. The craniosacral postural reflex have two important signs. Got the Ding Tou Xian, the head is hanging, so at the head is so light as if it was hanging in the air, and then the other one is Qi Tie Bei. The abdominal dantian seem to be sticking toward the spine. The two signs are like the passing grade. If you have the two signs, you have achieved Dong Jing. And then if you can sing with your abdominal dantian and your throat dantian, you can assure yourself your Tai Chi is pretty good. Regarding the cranial sacral postural reflecting Tai Chi and the two specific signs for the Ding Tou Xian and Qi Tie Bei, I have self-published an article, and then there's a movie explain it in detail, and you can go and watch that movie, and then if you like, you can purchase that article, which is only $5.
The article has become an Amazon Kindle book, Acquiring the Craniosacral Postural Reflex with Meditation and Tai Chi for Longevity and Enlightenment.
This is the side view of how to do self-push hand with the 6 healing sound, Ho Si Fu Hei Hui Chui.
I have also published over 10 Kindle books on Amazon, and to view them, please go to the About Facebook page, George Ho's Amazon Publications. The following are some of my Amazon books: The Guideline for Self-Taught Tai Chi and Sleeping Qigong, The Dantian's Anatomy and Function Explained Medically, Acquiring the Craniosacral Postural Reflex with Meditation and Tai Chi for Longevity and Enlightenment, The Ji Form of Power Compared with Bruce Lee's 1-inch Punch. To know more about Peng Jing, please read my Amazon Kindle book, The Correct Interpretation of Two Important Tai Chi Concepts, Song Kai and Peng Jing, the Peng form of concentrated Tai Chi power. Questions and feedbacks are welcome. Please email me at georgekwho@gmail.com. Hi, I'm Dr. George Ho. This concludes the movie, and if you like this movie, please click like and
please share it with your friend in other media like the Facebook. And it would really motivate me to make more movies like this if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. George. Subscription is totally free.